Okay, so this blanket that you are knitting has a few sides that you are going to need to pick up stitches with. So I'm just going to show you how that is done. It's very easy in that if you look at your blanket or the section that you're supposed to be picking up stitches, you'll notice that you have your slip stitches along the edge. And we're just going to use these slip stitches here to pick up stitches. So if you notice, the slip stitches kind of leave a little hole here. So you're going to put your needle through this hole. So using your working yarn, get it in position. We're going to put our needle through where the slip stitch is here, and we're going to grab that working yarn like so. And then we'll do the next one. So same thing, here's our hole here. We're going to slip the needles through and we're going to grab. And then the next one. And as you notice, I go through 2 loops here. I just feel like it's a little bit stronger to go through both the loops. You don't necessarily have to, but that's what I do. And you just continue picking up stitches all the way across. So it's very simple. And there are your picked up stitches here. And then also on this blanket, I'm just gonna leave that right there. We have the cable section here too. And I've already picked up stitches and knit the edge, but they do it the exact same way. You go pick up the slip stitch and then you work across and then you work your edge on this side, and then on this other side here, you work this top of the blanket. So good luck.